How to make the popular snacks we have in Nigeria called Nigerian buns without no mistake. Today I share with you the perfect way to make your Nigeria buns, both for sale and both for eat. Start, we are going to be needing raw egg. So I'm making use of 3 raw egg, then adding melted butter, then adding cup of milk. After adding the milk, next I will be adding is sugar. So I'm leaving the next of the measurement in the comment section, so don't forget to check it out. All you got to do is to mix until everything gets dissolved like this. Look at that. Everything has dissolved and mixed. So now I will be needing 3 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 cup. Then what I adding is baking powder, then adding salt. Mix that very well. So making Nigeria buns, you don't need yeast. What you need is baking powder, guys. So don't make use of yeast. So after mixing that, now I will be adding the melted ingredient, which is the liquid ingredient. Then add everything inside the dry ingredient, then get that mixed. Try to wash your hand. Mine is already washed, and then use my hand to massage the flour like this. At this point, you don't need to be adding any water and you don't need to be adding any flour. Just mix like this. It's going to look soft like this. You don't have to let this to be that strong, okay? Just mix it and let it to be soft like this. Is going to be amazing. So now I'm done mixing that. What I do next is to clean the bowl or these ones at top of it. So this is what happened during the mixing process. So after doing that, I gather all of it together. So now I will cover that to rest for 20 minutes. Just cover with kitchen towel. So it's not going to double in size, guys. This covering is just going to make that batter to get relaxed like this. So it's not going to double in size for it just to get there and be waiting for the batter to double in size. You can only double in size if you are making use of yeast. So this is baking powder, not yeast. So this is how you cut it inside the oil, just like that. It's going to be amazing. Next is for us to get it fried. So getting this, we are going to be needing hot oil, and let the oil to hot, and after that be adding and cutting the batter inside the oil like this. See how I'm cutting that? This is just for you to everything in accurate size, so no one is going to be bigger than others. So for you to cut it like this, just see how I'm cutting that inside the oil, so everything is going to come out one shape. So that is it. This one is the first batch because I get that fried twice. So now I will be stirring that. So frying this, guys, you have to be stirring so that all the sides of the buns will get fried, okay, guys? So just using your spoon to get it through like this, so you can see. So when you do like that, everything will get fried and you will get a golden brown color like this. Wow, I love this color. It was so nice. So now you can bring that from the oil, and now it's done. Look at that. It was so nice. I just like how everything gets fried. So now we are going to be frying the last batch. So this is the last batch. I'm frying that twice, so I will just cut everything inside the oil. You see how I'm holding the batter, then I will just open my hand and add that inside oil. Just a simple, and if you can get like this, it's going to be amazing for you, especially for a seller. You are going to get accurate measurements for all of it, just like that. So now I will use my spoon to be rolling like that, and after that, look at that, it fries so nice, guys. I will just get that out from the hot oil. Everything fries so amazing. So now I'm done frying all the buns. Look at that now. Do you notice one thing, guys? You can see that these buns did not open the eye. So that is because of how I get this mix. This is just the best way to get your Nigeria buns done. It's just so nice. Look at inside there now. When I open it, it just make quiet. It fries so nice, and the food inside there is just like it tastes so amazing. It was so amazing, guys. Look at that. So even if you're a seller, this is just the best way to get your Nigeria buns done. Your customer is going to come back for it again and again. Thank you for watching. If you are watching to this point, you are the real G. All you gotta do is to share for other mommies to see. I love you guys. In my next one. Bye bye. Look at that. Love you all.